Strengthening rapid response to fight fake news has been identified as a key strategy to changing the narrative in effective communication. This was the key message at the National Summit of Spokespersons in Abuja, organized by the Nigerian Institute of Public Relations and the Federal Ministry of Information and National Orientation. TVC News TVC was there.
The current trend of communication and evolving global media landscape driven by technology has given rise to the rapid spread of information and quick communication. However, this development has become a two-way street to access news round the clock and has also given rise to the spread of fake news and misinformation.
The person I'm going to acknowledge.
This summit with the theme Change Narratives, Change Society is aimed at strengthening the capacity of spokespersons across sectors of public, private and the civil society in Nigeria to tackle this worrisome trend.
We are further convinced that we can never win the war against misinformation and disinformation unless our responses to them are timely and evidence-based.
On the verge of unveiling the Nigerian National Values Charter, which embodies a social contract between the country and its citizens.
Unless we have a different way of communicating, we will not be able to drive the process of change that we need for our nation.
The summit is also designed to train attendees on relevant and professional skill set to craft messages, create content, manage expectations, and deliver narratives that will deepen democracy, promote good governance, and stimulate development in Nigeria.
Proliferation of fake news. You spokespersons must contend with enormous pressure for speed, and let's face it, for spin. In that context, it is all the more important, all the more essential that you uphold your responsibility for accuracy and transparency.
Let us work at having rapid response to tackle fake news and fake information.
The decree 1990 that later became an act of parliament in 2004 that set up NIPR is already moribund. It has outlived some of its usefulness.
At the end of the summit, it is expected that knowledge gathered will help spokespersons both in the public and private sectors to improve their skills and capabilities in effective communication and also craft compelling narratives for overall national development. TVC News, Abuja.